Welcome to Learn, your gateway to knowledge. Must like, comment and subscribe. Subject COMA Computer Application according to the syllabus provided by Wbchse Semester 3 Part 2. Must like, comment and subscribe. Introduction. In this unit you will learn about Python programming. Tokens. A token is a smallest individual unit in a Python program. Python source code is made up of different types of tokens. Must like, comment and subscribe. Now we have to know about types of tokens. There are 5 types of tokens, mainly keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, delimiters or punctuators. At first we have to know about keyword. Keywords are reserved words that have special meaning in Python. They cannot be used as variable name. There are keywords listed below. As Python library is updating continuously, so keywords are increasing. According to Python 3.0, there are 37 keywords listed here. Note, match and case are used for pattern matching, introduced in Python 3.10. Now, literals. Fixed values written directly in the program are called literals. Example, integer, float, string, boolean, none, etc. Now we have to know about identifiers. Identifiers are nothing but naming words. Names given to variables, functions, classes, etc. are called identifiers. Example, x, total underscore marks, student name, etc. Rules for identifiers. Can only contain letters, digits and underscores. Must starts with a letter or underscore. Cannot start with a number. Cannot use keywords. No spaces allowed. Know about operators. Symbols used to perform operations are called operators. There are 7 kinds of operator. Arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator. Arithmetic operators. These are arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division and exponent. Student, we have to remember here that division operators gives result in float or double, whereas float division operators gives the integer part only. For example, if we divide 13/2, then we will get the result 6.5. If we use 13/2, then we will get only 6. Comparison or relational operators. These are comparison or relational operator. Equal to operator, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operators. Logical operators, and, or, not. Later we know some examples on it. Assignment operator, equal, single equal signs, which is called main assignment. Then plus equal to, minus equal to, star or product equal to, slash or division equal to, percentage or modulus equal to, double slash or float division equal to, double star or exponent equal to. Now we have to know about bitwise operator, bitwise and, bitwise or, XOR, complement, left shift, right shift. Here are some examples. If a equal to 32, then it will be in binary. 1 0 0 0 0 0, and b equal to 42 in binary 1 0 1 0 1 0. Then a and b equal to, just student perform product operation, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, and finally get 1 0 0 0 0 0, which is equal to 32. A or b equal to, just student, we have to remember here that we will use here idempotence law, which is 1 plus x equal to 1, where x is a Boolean variable, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Finally, we will get 1 0 1 0 1 0, which is equal to 42. Now we have to use XOR operator, A XOR B. Just student, we have to perform here binary addition operation. Just put the sum, not the carry. 1 plus 1 equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and 0 plus 0 equal to 0. We will get 0 0 1 0 1 0, which is equal to 10. For right shift operator, A right shift 2, here look at here, 1 is shifted 2 bits, then 0 is shifted 2 bits, then 0 is shifted 2 bits, then 0 is shifted 2 bits, then last 2 bits of 0 have no bits. We will get finally the result 1 0 0 0, which is equal to 8. For left shift, it shifts from left 1 bits, 0 is shifted 1 bits, 0 is shifted 1 bits. Look at here, for the value of b, at first 0 is shifted 1 bits, then 1 is shifted 1 bits, then 0 is shifted 1 bits, then 1 is shifted 1 bits, then 0 is shifted 1 bits, then 1 is shifted 1 bits, and finally we will get 1 0 1 0 1 0, which is equal to 84. Now we have to know about membership operator. There are two kinds of membership operator, in or not in. Later on we'll discuss some examples also. Now identity operators, is or is not. Now we have to know about operator precedence. Operator precedence determines the order in which operations are performed. Order of precedence, high to low. At first parenthesis, then exponent, then unary operators, unary plus or minus, then product, division, float division, modulus. Number 5, addition, subtraction. Number 6, comparison. Number 7, logical not. Number 8, logical and. Number 9, logical or. Evaluation of expression. Expressions evaluation means calculating the final result step by step using precedence rule. For example, 5 plus 2 star 3 star 4. At first, according to the precedence, exponents have the highest precedence. So 2 star 3 equal to 8. Then 8 star 4 equal to 32, and 5 plus 32 equal to 37. Final result is 37. Delimiters or punctuators. Delimiters or punctuators, sorry. Symbols used to structure the program. Examples: first bracket, then second bracket or curly bracket, then square bracket or third bracket, then is 2, then full stop, then semicolon. These are variable is a blank space. A variable is a name used to store data in memory. Value of a variable can change during program execution. Example, x equal to 10, name equal to Rahul, price equal to 99.5. Here x, name, price are variables. Rules for naming variables are same as identifiers. Must starts with a letters or underscore, cannot start with a number, can contain letters, numbers and underscores only, cannot use Python keywords, no spaces allowed. Case sensitive. Case sensitive means if we write name in small letter or name in capital letter, these are two different variables. Age underscore total, student underscore name 1 are valid, but one name, two value, if, for, class, total number are invalid, because first one is one name, we cannot start variable with a number, first one and second one are same. Then if, for, class, these are keywords, so we cannot use. Then total number, here to in between there is a little space between total and number, so this is cancelled. Now we have to know about L value or left value. The variable that appears on left side of the assignment operator is called L value. It represents a memory location. It can store a value. For example, x equal to 10. Here x is L value, 10 is R value. L value must be a variable, not a constant. We cannot write 10 equal to x, it will give error. R value, the value that appears on the right side of equal, is called R value. It can be constant, expression or another variable. It provides data to store in L value. For example, a y equal to x plus 5, here y is L value, x plus 5 is R value. Types of variables. Local variable, declared inside a function, accessible only within that function, exists during function execution. Global variables, declared outside all functions, accessible throughout the program, can be used inside functions using global keyword if modifying. Instance variable belongs to an object defined inside a class, usually inside a constructor. Each object has its own copy, used to store object specific data. Class variable or static variable, declared inside a class but outside methods, shared among all objects of the class, same value for all instances unless changed. Mutable and immutable variables based on data types. Mutable variables where value can change after creation, for example list, dictionary, set. Immutable variables, values cannot change after creation, example int, float, string and tuple type variable. Constants. Constants is a variable whose value should not change during program execution. Python does not have a strict constant type, but by convention we write constants in uppercase letters. Example, pi equal to 3.1416, max underscore limit equal to 100, gravity equal to 9.8. Here pi, max underscore limit and gravity are treated as constants. Difference between variable and constants. For variable, value can change, constant value should not change. For variable written in lowercase, usually constants written in uppercase. For example, x equal to 5, here x is a variable, pi equal to 3.14, pi is a constant. Numeric constants, there are many kinds of constants. First one, numeric constants, fixed numeral values. There may be various kinds. Integer constants, whole numbers, example 10, minus 25, 0, etc. Float constants, decimal numbers, that is example 3.14, minus 2.5, etc. Complex constants, numbers with real and imaginary parts, 2 plus 3j. String constants, sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. For example, within double inverted quotation hello, within single inverted quotation Python, etc. Boolean constants, only two values, true and special constant, none, represents absence of value. Example, none. Literal constants, fixed values directly written in the program. Example, 100, within double inverted quotation welcome or true, etc. Symbolic constants, which is called user defined constants, created by programmer using uppercase names by convention. For example, pi equal to 3.1416, max underscore limit equal to 100. Here pi and max are symbolic constants. If this video helps even one person, I will be more encouraged and will continue making more videos. If there are any unintentional mistakes, I'll gladly accept your valuable feedback. I'll try to provide various topic based videos related to computers following the higher secondary syllabus in both Bengali and English. Best wishes to all students and heartfelt thanks to everyone else. Must like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Must like, comment and subscribe.